Make this 4th of July a safe holiday for you and your whole family. Don't use illegal and dangerous fireworks. The majority of firework-related injuries are caused by firecrackers, sparklers, and bottle rockets. A permit is required for the sale of all fireworks, and those permits are only valid from June 1st to July 15th each year. Firecrackers, cherry bombs, and skyrockets are just a few examples of fireworks that are illegal in our county. Even the possession of unapproved fireworks can get you charged with a Class 1 misdemeanor, which carries a maximum penalty of $2,500 and/or 1 year in jail. Have a safe 4th of July holiday. Remember, there are many public displays available that offer a safe way to view fireworks. For more information on this or other safety issues, please contact the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department at 703-246-3801.